So, the giant made friends with all of the monsters in the forest. When he got back from his great adventure, he fried an egg on top of his volcano. And that's the end of the story.
Hooray!
We're going out now, off to do some mysterious errands.
Actually, we're going to Mrs. Poodle's house. Granddad will be here with you.
Granddad to the rescue. Babysitting since the beginning of time.
Granddad!
Oh.
Someday, can I take care of Charlie alone? I'm his big sister.
And your wonderful big sister. That day will come. Right now, it's better if Granddad's here. Be good.
You kids go ahead playing, and I'll keep an eye on you, okay?
Okay.
Fishing is a thrilling sport. The secret is to sit quietly for hours and hours on the boat without doing anything.
Fascinating.
He's fallen asleep as usual. No problem. I can take care of you, Charlie.
Play!
That was a close one.
Hooray!
It's not funny, Charlie, you little rascal.
Play?
Okay, let's play. Huh. Wow, Charlie, you sure hid yourself well, didn't you? Where is Charlie? Where could he be? Here!
Monsters!
Oh, yeah? Are there monsters in this house? What do they want?
Eat Charlie!
Oh.
Dumb!
What you have to eat is the sandwich I made for you. Come on. Oh. Huh. What's the tree saying?
Tree no! Giant!
Ooh, a giant. Right. And what's it telling you?
Secret!
Will you tell me? I promise to keep the secret. Really? Oh, I won't tell anyone.
Giant! 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 Giant!
Charlie, settle down a little or you'll wake up Granddad.
Giant!
Oh. Whew. I don't think he noticed.
Vase broken.
Now Mom and Dad will think I can't take care of you. Don't worry. I'm sure Howie has some special glue for fixing vases.
Huh?
But I'm not going to see him until tomorrow. Right now, we have to think of something fast. The most important thing is not to say a word to them about this.
Secret.
This one or that one? Go for it. You can't tell the difference, right? Tomorrow, we'll glue together the vase and it will be as good as new.
Huh?
They're home. Whatever you do, don't tell them anything about this, Charlie. Hi!
Wow, you must have really missed us. How did things go?
We were fine. Granddad fell asleep for a while, but I took care of Charlie all by myself.
I didn't fall asleep. I'm wide awake.
You scared me, Granddad.
Look at these flowers that Mrs. Poodle gave me. Aren't they pretty?
So, what did you do while we were gone?
Lots of things. We had a snack, we played in the garden.
I'm break face!
Charlie! That was a secret!
Misha, is what Charlie said right?
Yes. Granddad fell asleep and Charlie just didn't stop and it wasn't on purpose. I didn't want you to get mad.
Wow, it's a milkshake glass. I didn't even notice. But you should have told us, Misha.
So now, go get the broken vase and let's see what we can do.
Okay.
Hello, Misha. Do you know who I am? The Garden Giant.
What? The garden giant? Charlie made that up.
We won't argue about that now. The thing is, you look sad. And you can tell me why that is. I'm an old tree.
I wanted to be a good big sister and show that I could take care of Charlie all by myself.
And you did show that, but we can't control everything. Even unexpected things happen to grown-ups like me. And we fall asleep in front of the TV when we should be awake.
What?
Nothing. Never mind. What I want to say is that you don't have to solve everything by yourself. When you have a problem, ask others for help, and everything will go more smoothly.
Maybe so. Thank you, Mr. Giant. Here's the vase. I wanted to take it to Howie so he could help me fix it. But you're right. I should have told you.
Don't worry. We all know that Charlie is a little mischievous.
Plus, we know that you took really good care of him. You played with him, you watched what he was up to, you gave him a snack and everything.
How do you know?
Well, a giant in the garden told us so.
A giant?
Here comes the glue.
I guess granddads don't sleep as much as it seems.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just here to help to put together the vase. This is gonna be better than doing a puzzle together.
Puzzle.